Hey folks, this is the fuel tank of a Mark II Ford Capri, and this is the sender unit. It has the pipe out to the carburetor and the two terminals that go to your fuel gauge. To remove these, you can try, if you wanted to, knock it off with a hammer and a chisel or a screwdriver, but you can risk damaging the flange. I find the easiest way to remove these is with an oil filter wrench. All we're going to do is rotate it counterclockwise about maybe less than a quarter of a turn. It should come off with relative ease, and then we can remove our sender unit. It's a good idea to take a picture or mark the bottom of these just so you know that it's right when you're putting it back on. It should be obvious anyway because the filter and the pickup should be on the bottom side of the tank. Here we can see the filter, the pickup tube, and our float and our resistor. All the float does is change the resistance, a little wiper arm there, and that in turn changes the fuel gauge so it can read. There you go. So when you're putting it back in, make sure your seal is clean and your surface is clean. Pop it in and you rotate it till it stops. There is a little stop on the inside of those flanges, and I can feel it stop there. There we go. Hopefully that was of some use if you're trying to get yours off.